Hi friends. So for math today, I want to start with a review. So will you please get out your whiteboard and your pen from your backpack? Grab your whiteboard and your pen. Awesome. If you need more time, press pause. At the top of your whiteboard, will you write the numbers 5, 11, and 7. Now, under each one of these numbers, please write the number of tally marks that are needed for 5, 11, and 7. Show me tally marks for 5, 11, and 7. Go. Awesome. Pause if you need more time. I'm going to go ahead and show you the answers. For 5 tally marks, you go 1, 2, 3, 4. Slash makes it 5. For 11, 1, 2, 3, 4. Slash 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Slash makes 10. And one more makes 11. And for 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Double check that your answers match mine. If they don't, that's okay, fix them now. Awesome. Pause if you need more time. I'm gonna move on. So today, we're gonna practice making a table based on information that we have. So I'm gonna read you this little story problem, and we're gonna walk through how to turn it into a table. So it says, Jack and I both have 2 pets. Maggie has 3 pets. All right, so I'm gonna take this information, I'm gonna make it into a table. Here we go. I'm gonna put myself at the top, me, and then I'm gonna put Jack, and then I'm gonna put Maggie. All right. Now I have the 3 people in my story all ready to go. And if I'd like to, I could divide this in half and make this tally marks. And this is the number, okay? So for me, let's see, if Jack and I both have 2, that means that I have 2. So I'm gonna do 2 here. There are my 2 tally marks. And then I'm gonna put the number 2 here. Jack also has 2 pets, so I'm gonna give him 2. And then I'm gonna write the number 2 here. Maggie has how many? 3. So I'm gonna put 3 tally marks, and then I'm gonna write the number 3 here. Now I can answer any other questions. So if my question was, how many pets in all, I could add these numbers up, right? I could say 2 plus 2 plus 3. Did anybody do that in their head? 2, 2 more, plus 3 equals 7. 7 pets in all. I could say, how many more pets does Maggie have than me? When I say how many more, I'm comparing 2 numbers. Do we have the same amount? Are 2 and 3 the same? No, Maggie has more. My question is, how many more? To find the answer to that question, you need to take the bigger number, 3, and subtract the smaller number, 2. If I have 3 and I take away 2, I have 1 more. She has one more pet than me. So this is how I turn this information into a table and use it to answer questions. I'm going to play a quick math video for you guys, and then we'll go through today's work. Hold on. Let me share my screen. Computer sound.
We're getting fit. The kids in my class enjoy all kinds of activities to stay fit. I wonder what the most popular activity is. I know. Let's use a tally chart to figure this out. 5 students liked playing sports the most. 6 enjoyed bicycling, and 3 liked playing on the playground. Now let's see what the results look like on a picture graph. Wow, using a picture graph makes the results pretty clear. Most students enjoy riding their bikes to stay fit. By organizing data using a tally chart and creating a picture graph, we were able to see all the different ways my class likes to stay fit. Don't stop now. Keep exercising your math skills.
Awesome, friends. Okay, so we are going to do page 215, or not 200, sorry, 515 through 520 in your My Math book. So take out this book and find this page 515. Awesome. I will show you to you on mine. All right, so we are making a table. We're going to hear a lot of different story problems today, and our job is to figure out how to turn those into a table. Our essential question is, how do I make and read graphs? We're going to skip this one. I did one with you. We're going to skip that. All right, so, sorry, friends. Okay, so this is the first page of your worksheet. It says, Kimmy buys a t-shirt. It has a stripe on it, on each sleeve. It has 4 words and a picture on it. Which t-shirt did she buy? So we're going to make a table to figure out which shirt she bought. The table's actually on your worksheet already, but I'm going to make it for you right here. Okay, so here's the shirts. It could either be shirt number 1, 2, or 3. Now, we need to see, is there a picture on it? And then we need to know how many words. And then we need to know if there's a stripe. So there's my table. Might be hard to see. Let me stop my share real quick. All right, here's my share. So if you're looking at the picture of the shirts on this page, see the shirts? We're gonna go through and check each shirt to see if it has what we're looking for. So shirt number 1. Does shirt number 1 have a picture? No, it doesn't. So we're gonna put a no here. Good. Shirt number 2. Does shirt number 2 have a picture? Yes. So we'll put a yes there. Shirt number 3, does it have a picture? Yep. So we'll put a yes there. All right, now let's go over to the words. We're going to count the words on each shirt. Shirt number 1, how many words? It says animals, 1 word. Shirt number 2, let's count the words. 1, 2, 3, 4. I ride my bike. And shirt number 3, my dog, 2 words. Okay, Now let's look for the stripes. Does it have a stripe on each sleeve? Number one, yep, number one has a stripe on each sleeve. Number two, yep, those red ones, it has a stripe on each sleeve. Yes. And number three, oh, no stripes on number three, so I'll put a no. So now we need to figure out which shirt matches the questions they're asking. Her shirt has a stripe on each sleeve, so yes. Could be either one of these ones, so it can't be this one. Cross that one off. Can't be that one. And then her shirt has 4 words on it. Which one of these has 4? Ah, this one. So we'll cross that one off. It must be shirt number 2. Okay, so that one's done for you. You can trace those words on here. And let's go ahead and move on to the next question. I'm going to share my screen. All right, a first grade class collects 11 cans. A second grade class collects 5 cans. How many more cans did the first grade class collect? So we need to make a table on your sheet. Do you see that a table's already made for you? We're going to make a table to help us understand this information. We underline the important parts, just like we do in class. A first grade class collects 11 cans. That's going to be important. A second grade class collects 5 cans. That's going to be important. And how many more cans did the first grade class collect is our question. Here we go. Okay, so how many cans did the first grade class collect? Let's look back at our question. 11 cans. So you can write 11 on your worksheet. How many cans did the second grade class collect? 5. So you can write 5. And now our job is to find the difference. In order to find the difference, I take the big number and I subtract the little number. 11 minus 5. Could I use doubles to help me? I know that 5 and 5 make 10. So 5 and 6 make 11. The first grade class collected 6 more cans. Good. Check your work with mine. Pause if you need more time. Good. Clear. All right, we did it correctly. The next bottom part on number 4 says, is my answer reasonable? So what I just need to check to see is, did I answer in the hundreds? Is my answer in the thousands? If not, then I think my answer is reasonable. I know that 11 minus 5 is 6, so I think it's reasonable. So if you want to, you can write here. You can write yes. Oh, it's hard to do this with my mouse. I'm going to get really good by the end. Awesome. Pause if you need more time. All right, let's see. All right, next page. I love this question. All right, we're gonna count the animals. Let's figure out how many chickens are in this picture. Count the chickens with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many chickens? 8 chickens, beautiful. I'm gonna write the number 8 right here. Let's count the dogs. Oh, 1. I only see 1 dog. How about the cows? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 cows. Make sure you check your answer with mine. Pause if you need more time. Next one. Oopsie, hold on. How many more cows are there than dogs? How many more cows than dogs? Are there more cows or more dogs? Good, how many more? We need to take the big number, 4, and subtract the small number, 1. 4 cows minus 1 dog equals how many more? 3. 4 minus 1 is 3. 3 more cows than dogs. How many animals are there in all? Well, we know that there were 8 chickens, and then we know that there were 4 cows and 1 dog. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 12, 13. My answer is 13. Good. Check your work. Pause if you need more time. And then we're going to move on. All right. Raul, Sophia, and Leah each have a pet. The pets are a bird, a snake, and a cat. Whoa, okay, this gets tricky. A bird, a snake, and a cat. Sophia's pet has 2 legs. Okay, I'm gonna first write that information here because I'm gonna need to know. Sophia's pet has 2 legs. I'm gonna write hers here. Number of legs for Sophia's pet, 2. Okay. Raul's pet has 0 legs. Okay, Raul, 0 legs. And Leah's pet has 4 legs. So I'm gonna write 4 right here. All right. If their animals were a bird, a snake, and a cat, can you figure out which pet goes where? Go for it. Write the name of the pet in each box. Got it. All right. There's the answers. All right, whose pet is a bird? Sophia's. Good, check your answers with mine. All right. So for each one of these, you're going to have to make a table. So pages numbers 5, 6, and 7, you need to make a table to figure out the answer. So I'm going to help you make that table now. I'm going to do my best to draw it on the screen, so bear with me, friends. There are 3 plates. Each plate has 2 carrots. How many carrots are there in all? So I'm going to draw a table for the 3 plates. Okay, here's the first plate, and I'm going to draw a line across. Here's the second plate, and I'm going to draw a line across. And here's the third plate. Okay, so each plate has 2 carrots. So I'm going to give this plate 2, and this plate 2, and this plate 2. Now I can see clearly that I can count by 2s in order to solve my problem. Count by 2s with me. 2, 4, 6. How many carrots in all? 6 carrots. Beautiful. Pause if you need more time. All right, next one. Owen ate 10 oranges. Quinn ate 2 oranges. How many more oranges did Owen eat than Quinn? All right, let's draw our table. All right, so we know I'm going to do an O for Owen. Oh, that's my O. And a Q for Quinn. Owen ate 10. So I'm going to put 10 here. And Quinn ate 2. Who ate more oranges? Owen ate more oranges. Our question is, how many more? We take the big number, 10, and we subtract the smaller number, 2. I know that 2's partner that makes 10 is 8. So I know that he made 8 more oranges. Awesome. Pause if you need more time. Next page. Sorry, not next page. Last one. There are 3 maple trees. There are 5 oak trees. How many oak and maple trees are there all together? So I'm going to make my table right here. So I see that there were, I'm going to do an M for maple. Here's my M. And I'm going to do an O for oak. Oh, and they're redwood too. I didn't see the redwood. Add to my table. And I'll do an R for redwood. So I know that there were 3 maples, so I'll put 3 here. 5 oak, so I'll put 5 here. Oh, and there are 8 redwood. And then the question asked me how many oak and maple. It doesn't ask me about the redwood. So I can ignore this for now. Now I just need to add 3 plus 5 to figure out how many maple and how many oak. 5, I start with my bigger number, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 oak and maple trees all together. Awesome, friends. So now you can go ahead and complete the homework, pages 519 and 520 with Mom and Dad. Let me know if you have any questions. After you've completed the homework, then you can go ahead and start practicing picture graphs. This is the worksheet that's going to be, this is the work that we're really going to be working on tomorrow. So I'll ask to review it. And you can color it if you want. Let me know if you have any questions. Bye, friends.